Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the system navigation to either gestures or free buttons on POCO phones. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Home Screen, scroll down to System Navigation, and you can set it to gestures or buttons. When it's set to buttons, you can see you have this Home button, have this Recents button, and the Back button. I'm gonna go back to the System Navigation. You can also mirror these buttons, and you can also set it to gestures, and then in gestures, to go to the Home, swipe all the way up. To go to the Recents, swipe a bit up, then hold, and you'll see the gestures. And to go back, either swipe from the left or from the right side of your screen. So you can see that to go back, I need to swipe from here or from there, release, and I'm back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.